Okay, so here we are, going to show the effect of on the magnetic field by turning off the washer and dryer. Oh, you just heard it. It just kicked into another mode and it's spiked up. So let's go. Okay, so here's the breaker box. You can see it's definitely high right there. And as we get to the washer, okay, it's 4.46. Let's see if we can shut this off. So you see the power's down and the dryer is actually running. Now let's go backwards. The dryer is increasing. So as we go backwards, okay, so more or less where we started, and the level is lower now. That's all.